How can I change my Google Voice number without losing my current contacts and messages?
Hello there. Today, we're going to discuss how to change your Google Voice number without losing your current contacts and messages. Fear not, as it's a straightforward process and won't affect your existing data. So, let's get started.
Understanding the consequences.
First things first, it's crucial to understand that when you change your Google Voice number, your existing contacts and messages will not be deleted. That's because Google Voice associates this data with your Google account, not your specific Google Voice number.
Steps to change your Google Voice number.
Here are the steps to change your Google Voice number. 1. Open Google Voice on your computer or mobile device. 2. If you're on a computer, click on the gear icon to access settings. On a mobile device, tap on the menu icon, then go to Settings. 3. Scroll down and find the section titled Phone Numbers. 4. Click or tap on Change Port next to your current Google Voice number. 5. Follow the prompts to choose and purchase a new Google Voice number. Remember, there's a one-time fee to change your Google Voice number. But once you've paid and chosen your new number, it will become active immediately.
Checking your contacts and messages.
After you've changed your number, go to the Google Voice homepage and check your contacts and messages. They should still be intact since all of these are linked with your Google account and not your specific Google Voice number. And that's it. You've now successfully changed your Google Voice number without losing any of your contacts or messages. Remember, Google Voice is linked to your Google account, so your data is always safe, no matter how many times you change your number. We hope this video has been helpful to you, and thank you for watching.